Hey y'all, I have been wanting to edit this video for a long time and I feel like I did kind of a crappy job filming it, but it's okay. I'm not gonna lie, I have been trying really hard to kind of like rebrand a little bit, and when I say that I mean just like take care of myself a little bit more. And a lot of that has been stepping away from social media and posting and stuff. So I just got around to editing this video tonight and the bathroom has been done for like at least a month. So yeah, it's almost March and I filmed all of this beginning in December. So sorry about that. I look a little different than I did in the video, which is probably a good thing. I feel like I have just been really trying to work on myself a little bit. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. And yeah, we've got the next bathroom already under construction, I guess. And that has really been kind of my project because Graydon did a lot on the bathroom downstairs and he was just like, I need a breather from working on bathrooms. Totally fine. This bathroom up here is officially not functional at all, and the bathroom downstairs is, so it'll be great for us to just be able to kind of take our time with the one up here. It is a mess. It's going to probably need to be completely gutted, sadly. So that'll be the next vlog, but yeah, hope everybody's doing good. Hope everybody's had a great new year so far. I know we're like almost 8 weeks into 2025 and I feel really good. I feel like I've been working on towards some goals of mine, athletically, I guess, running. Also, we're gonna have a mini ramp in our backyard this summer, so lots of skate vlogs this summer and I'm really excited to get into that. So winter has been so hard. I have not lived in Indiana for a winter since have not lived in a winter in Indiana since like the winter of 2019 into 2020, and then yeah, by the end of 2020 I was going to Florida for Navy training. So this really is like our first winter in like 5 years. My first winter in like 5 years. So I have seemed to have forgotten a little bit about what Indiana's capable of, but yeah, we're getting back into it and I would love to make some more like little wellness vlogs and mental health vlogs, but I felt like I can't make one of those if I'm not taking care of myself either. And I feel like you can, that kind of reflects a little bit in this vlog. Maybe some of you guys can't tell, but for me looking back, I'm like, oh my gosh, like I just I don't look my best in my opinion. But thank you for watching and let me know what you guys would like to see next, and hopefully we'll have some more vlogs soon. So thanks.
Yeah, it's a fucking mess.
At least it's a small wall, though. Yeah, you're right. It's really not dark in here.
Oh, other way. He hasn't made it on that side yet.
It's coming through to that side, but they put drywall over the plaster, so it's just pushing it in.
Hello?
Hello? You ready?
On today's episode of Rehab Addict. So this wall's gone.
Yep, wall's all gone. We got this wall built for basically the new end of the bathroom. And we're going to have to build a wall out right here for all of our shower stuff, because the shower head's going to be over here. And then we're also going to reposition this drain to come down into this wall so that this will be all open. and then we're just gonna basically fill the gap in the floor and start putting the shower up, because this will be gone and we'll be on our way.
It's gonna be a pretty small shower, but it's gonna make such a big difference to the value of this house and also just functionality in general, because the bathroom upstairs we are also going to redo, but we can't really touch that until this is done.
So
and
we don't have to go elsewhere to shower every night.
Yeah, and this is just going to be like the most updated thing in our house. Like everything is true to the era, and we've tried really hard to paint and decorate, but we haven't actually demoed anything. And all of the renovations that have been done in this house are like 30 years old, and it's just time to go. So
Yeah.
very excited to have a brand new shower.
And we'll still match the style.
Yeah,
for sure.
We're getting a colored tile, and then I'm thinking of wallpaper. I'm not sure, but it's definitely going to be moody in here. I'm so excited.
It really won't be that small of a shower either, because we're basically, it's a stand-up shower, and then we're going to have a big niche right here so that we can put all of our stuff in. So.
Okay, I was thinking of building some shelves right here, too. Kind of like what we did it in our bedroom.
Yeah, there's
so we can put like towels or something.
And we could do some kind of.
Well, the mirrors and the sink's gonna be right there.
Cabinetry or something, but yeah, the sink's basically almost against the toilet, but it comes out to just about right here. So it will be
it's
a little
gonna
bit
fit,
close,
yeah.
But we'll have plenty of room to get in and out of the shower, and adding another full bath to the house is going to be really nice, and this all is just going to be a lot nicer than it is.
Give it a couple weeks and it'll be done.
Hopefully.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
The pace that Graydon and his dad work, yeah, it's not going to take that long. So,
What do you think, Spike?
well, it's been a couple weeks. We've got drywall up, ceiling lowered, shower in, little niche thing. About to start painting. We're going to paint the walls this like seafoam green color, and the ceiling is going to be a teal, and then the tile is going to match the paint. So
this stuff is like a foam board, which is supposed to be waterproof for the tile, and then we've also just kind of double whammied it with this purple stuff. It is a waterproofing type of coating, and the foam board stuff goes all the way up to the ceiling because we're going to tile all the way up, but the water is going to be, from here down. So shower base is fully set and seated, it's solid, and we're getting ready to pull the toilet. That way we can paint, because we're going to paint the walls, the trim, and the ceiling. And then we're also going to have trim, like a crown molding that we're going to hang on the ceiling that matches the color of the ceiling. So update for you guys, and we'll see you with some color in the next clip, hopefully.
I'll be focused. I'm so excited for this color.
Vallejo, California. Yeah, that's somebody I know for sure.
So we're gonna paint. We've got the bottom trim painted this color, and then we're gonna do a crown molding on top that's gonna be painted the teal color. So excited. Whoa, this could be like a green screen. It's not as green in real life as it is right there, but yeah. All right, you guys, it's been another few days since I've updated you. The bathroom is freaking coming along. It's crazy. We've really only got one thing left, and that's tile. So let me show you what we were working with. So last I showed the color paint, the walls painted with this color, but we hung my mirror that I found at Goodwill. This picture is also from Goodwill, including the frame. This is a light fixture that we kind of put together from Lowe's. Got the sink moved. Sink used to be right here. Now it's moved here. Toilet's in the same place. And got these little hooks on here, so we'll initially put our towels on there, but we don't have a hand towel right now, so I'm just gonna use that. And yeah, got the tile for the next project. So we spent about $500 for this color. So I'm really excited. I hope it looks good. I know it's going to, but I'm just itching for it. So I'm trying to do little things like that I can do to get this bathroom more functional, but I don't know how to lay tile, so we're waiting on Graydon's dad to do that. So yeah, it's gonna be awesome. I'm really hoping in the next like week or so this will be a fully functional full bathroom.